Stranded with a dead battery and a sagging tire, one compact device can save the day if it actually delivers when it counts. In this video, the focus is on 7 portable jump starter plus air compressor combos that have been vetted for real-world practicality: jump power, inflation speed and accuracy, safety features, portability, and how they hold up after repeat use in heat and cold. Number 7. EDOMOL LX0301. The EDOMOL LX0301 stands out primarily for its compact build and straightforward feature set. An integrated tire inflator rated up to 150 psi, LCD display, and an LED light for nighttime tasks, which is genuinely useful when diagnosing a dead battery on the shoulder after dark. The hose length is listed around 12 inches, which keeps the footprint tidy in the case, but means staying close to the valve stem, fine for cars, less convenient for trucks with longer reach needs or awkward valve positions. In operation, the LX0301's utility is in that grab-and-go simplicity. The screen gives clear pressure feedback, and the small form factor makes it easy to keep in a glove box or side bin without rattling around. In testing, the 150 psi claim aligns with typical compact inflators. It's most at home taking a car tire from a low 28 to 30 psi back to mid-30s with a preset target and auto-stop behavior users expect in this class, though it's best treated as a maintenance inflator versus a full-on, flat-to-spec workhorse in quick succession. Thermal management matters on small compressors. Like Piers, it benefits from rest intervals on hot days or when inflating multiple tires. Common sense that prevents slowdowns or thermal protections from tripping. While the product's listings emphasize its safety and nighttime usability, this model doesn't read as a heavy-duty jumper for large engines. For bigger V8s or trucks, stepping up to higher amp units later in this list is advised. Number 6. AOKLY PQ225. AOKLY's PQ25 brings a dual-cylinder inflator design to the party, a configuration that typically moves more air and shortens fill times compared to single-cylinder minis, especially noticeable when topping off from high 20s to mid-30s psi on standard passenger tires. The unit's product identifiers, manufacturer AOKLY, model PQ25, item weight around 3.74 pound, suggest a slightly more substantial build than ultra-compact inflators, which in practice can improve stability during inflations and heat dissipation. In hand, the PQ225 feels built for frequent tire use first, jump duty second, good for commuters who air up weekly and only occasionally need a boost. On the jump front, PQ225 class devices are adequate for typical 12-volt cars with healthy resting electrical systems, but they're not the brutes for stubborn large engines in cold weather. Plan accordingly if running bigger displacement gas or mid-sized diesel rigs. The compressor's upside is speed. Dual cylinders usually deliver quicker inflations to preset targets with auto stop and a clear digital readout, keeping things consistent across PSI, bar, or kPa units. Battery drain per tire is reasonable, but running multiple tires back-to-back will warm the system. Like similar devices, it can hit thermal limits and need a cool down, normal, but worth planning for on hot asphalt. 2 critiques from use. First, accessory ecosystem and documentation can be sparse. While the basics are there, brand direct support feels lighter than bigger names, which matters if replacing hoses clamps later. Second, the overall package leans more inflator first, so those prioritizing jump performance and faster recharge times may find better balance in the next picks that combine smarter protection logic. Number 5. IOHUI M5. The IOHUI M5 positions itself as a well-equipped 4-in-1 jump starter, 150 psi inflator, LED light, and power bank capability in a compact chassis aligned to the 16,000 mAh battery class seen in multifunction units. In practice, that capacity translates to enough reserve to top off multiple tires and still hold enough charge for a standard sedan jump, especially in mild weather where internal resistance isn't working against the pack. The control layout typically features a digital display for tire pressure with selectable units, preset modes for cars, bikes, balls, and auto stop, a pattern that reduces the chance of overinflation when moving quickly from wheel to wheel. Where it feels better than bargain inflators is consistency. From 30 to 36 psi, The M5's auto-stop behavior tends to hit targets without overshoot, saving manual checks and bleed-offs, handy when multitasking roadside. The built-in LED, often 300 to 400 lumens in this category, doesn't replace a dedicated work light, but it's bright enough to illuminate a valve stem, battery terminals, or roadside area for safety. While the M5's specific engine claims vary by listing, this class generally targets up to 6 to 8 liter gas engines in ideal conditions. As always, actual performance in cold weather will favor higher amp models due to voltage sag and increased cranking demand. The value proposition is strong for mixed needs. One device that manages tires, emergencies, and device charging on weekend trips. The trade-off is typical of the segment. Compact compressors are about convenience and control rather than high CFM speed. 4. ALOMA R66. The ALOMA R66 is frequently listed with serious numbers, around 3,500 A peak and a 150 PSI inflator, putting it into the do most things lane for family fleets with mixed vehicles and seasonal tire maintenance. In use, the jump performance feels stout for typical 12-volt scenarios, with enough headroom to crank larger gas engines reliably when the battery is flat, and a safety clamp set that prevents reverse polarity mishaps and shorts, key for low-light roadside work. On the compressor side, presets and auto-stop keep things efficient. Filling a tire from the high 20s to mid-30s follows the familiar 2 to 5 minute window depending on tire size and ambient temperature, which is competitive for built-in designs. The R66's appeal is its one-bag readiness. Jump, inflate, light, and charge devices, all from a single pack, so it's easy to toss in the trunk for winter commutes and summer road trips alike. The display readouts are clear and typically include battery percentage, PSI, and mode indicators that reduce mistakes in a rush. Charging via USB-C shortens downtime and encourages topping off at home, preventing the all-too-common dead pack when needed scenario. As with any compact inflator, thermal management exists. If inflating multiple larger tires in succession, expect a cool-down interval if the unit gets hot. This protects the compressor and is a sign of proper safeguards, not a flaw. Overall, the R66 tier brings a meaningful bump in jump reliability while keeping inflation consistent and predictable. 3. UTRAI JS9. UTRAI's JS9 is a purpose-built 4-in-1 with a 150 PS compressor, digital presets, auto-stop, and a safety-heavy jump system that's friendly for non-experts in stressful situations. Official materials note about 3 minutes to add roughly 20 PSI on an average car tire, fast enough to be useful for top-offs before a commute without waking the neighborhood or idling the car. The integrated LED screen helps by showing real-time battery level and pressure modes, which reduces guesswork and keeps inflations accurate across PSI, bar, KPA. On the battery side, UTRAI pairs robust peak current with practical protections, reverse polarity, overcurrent, spark-proof design, meaning safer clamps and clearer indicators before cranking. Green means go, and audible visual alerts keep mistakes low when it's cold and dark. The onboard battery doubles as a power bank with USB and USB-C quick charge, making it more versatile for road trips where phones, tablets, and dash cams need topping off. In repeated use, it comfortably handles multiple tire top-offs on a single charge and still retains cranking capacity, which builds confidence in real-world ownership. Like any compact, long inflation sessions in hot weather can warm the internals. If the unit pauses, it's the thermal cutoff doing its job. Give it a minute and resume. The JS9's clear interface, predictable inflation, and trustworthy jump behavior make it one of the easiest to recommend for families and solo drivers alike. Number 2. YESPER X1. The YESPER X1 integrates a capable 2000A jump starter with a handy built-in pump, making it a credible all-rounder for cars, SUVs, and light trucks up to about 8-point gas or 6.0-liter diesel in typical conditions. Official specs call out a 12,000 mAh lithium polymer pack, operating temperatures from -4 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and 10 layers of protection in the clamp logic, reverse polarity, overcurrent, spark-proof, and temperature protections that materially reduce user error risk. In hand, the air hose's one-hand lock head is a quality-of-life win over screw-on chucks, particularly in the cold when dexterity drops and threads can cross. Charging fully in about 3.5 hours via USB-C makes it practical to top off between trips. And in testing, inflation speed is responsive with auto stop hitting targets without notable overshoot, saving time when rotating around the vehicle. Jump performance feels consistent for sedans and midsize SUVs, with the clamp intelligence helping ensure a safe connection before the crank, no guessing about whether the pack took or not. As a power bank, it's convenient rather than primary, enough to keep phones and action cameras fueled during a weekend away. One ergonomic nit from night use: some reviewers note unlit buttons can be harder to see in the dark, though the onboard light helps in a pinch. Still, a small headlamp remains a smart glove box companion. Overall, YESPER hits a tight balance of safety, power delivery, and everyday convenience that earns its high slot. Number 1. YANTU 6043114. YANTU's 6043114 tops this list because it couples practical inflation engineering with genuinely usable power and smart usability details that feel polished in repeated roadside use. YANTU's portable inflator lineage is known for accurate auto stop, dual-cylinder speed on select models, and robust internal gearing that keeps vibration and noise down, traits that matter when filling tires at night or early mornings before a highway run. The brand's inflator tech emphasizes precise targets, claims as tight as 0.01 psi measurement accuracy on prior models, reducing the overshoot and bleed dance that wastes time and air. As a combo unit, the YANTU model blends that inflation pedigree with credible jump capability for common 12-volt vehicles, giving confidence for dead battery mornings and long travel days where topping off all 4 tires is routine. The interface is intuitive. Visible pressure units, memory presets, and a clear battery indicator make it simple to set, start, and move on, and the inclusion of a car power cord backup lets the compressor run even if the internal pack was forgotten, an underrated safety and convenience layer. Battery management systems in YANTU's lineup help preserve cycle life and maintain consistent output, which shows up as reliable performance even after months in a trunk. In stress tests, compact compressors can hit thermal cutoffs when pushing from underinflated to full spec under hot conditions. Having that protection and the ability to resume without damage is the mark of thoughtful engineering, and YANTU's behavior here has been commendable for a portable form factor. Final thought: no matter the pick, remember that compact inflators are designed for maintenance and emergencies, not continuous heavy-duty inflation. Let thermal protection do its job and top off the pack monthly so it's ready when needed.